end of my day at Splash and Safari, I barely had any footage for a vlog or a walkthrough, so I combined them both in this video. I also needed to do an extra video part at the end where I give my review and explain some things. Okay, here we are for day 2 at Holiday World, and I'm here about a half hour after open, and it's a lot busier today. It's also sunny and not raining. This must be what it's normally like. So, if I remember the layout of the park, I need to go into this Halloween place, maybe? The water park is not technically open yet, but I'm hoping they'll let me get in there and put my bag in there. Not sure. Okay, it says Splash and Safari this way. Let's go.
Circumstances needing to be unlocked, and he also call Ronald in the all units.
There are two main reasons I don't like recording in water parks. The first reason is that people get weird about you recording them in a swimsuit. The second reason is that everything involves water, and I didn't want to get my phone or camera wet. For this part, and I do explain this later in the video, but everything has been shut down due to weather, so that's why there's nobody in the water. Okay, I won't be showing myself because I look like a disgusting, sweaty mess. I've been at the water park for 2 hours now. Have not gotten in the water, have not touched the water. They announced, as we were going up the stairs for a slide, they made an announcement, but I couldn't hear it, but it sounded like they were closing everything because of lightning strikes in the area. And like 12 employees went past us on the stairs. Not one of them said, hey, this is not going to be open. They let us go all the way up the stairs, and then they said, oh no, you got to turn around. So that was that one, that green one. So we came down. I've been wasting time since. Didn't have my phone with me because I was hoping that the rides would just open back up and I could run to one of the lines. But then they announced that the weather service says a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect and we should all take cover immediately, calmly. And this is the Midwest. Not one single person moved. Everybody kind of like slumps their shoulders, like, oh, bummer, but nobody moved. They've announced that twice now, and I know there's a minimum amount of time after severe weather passes that they can open things. So I'm thinking, they said all services are going to be halted. I'm hoping I can get some food though. Spend some time eating food. It's so hot though. Here's what the sky looks like. So I don't know. Hopefully I'll get in the water pretty soon. I'm going to stay close to the front so I can put my stuff up if they open things, but I imagine it's going to be a while. So that's what's happening.
Operations in Holiday World and Splash and Safari will temporarily close. Please remain calm and take shelter in a nearby building immediately. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. All park operations in Holiday World and Splash and Safari will temporarily close. Please remain calm and take shelter in a nearby building immediately. Normal park operations will resume once the severe weather threat has passed. Thank you.
We can't go outside.
You guys can, but the Lord is
Stand right here.
chicken Caesar salad, french fries, and a bag of chips. That is 13.88. That's how my mom
Okay, we've been released from where we were hiding out, but I'm not quite sure why, because the biggest lightning just went past in the sky. I guess the tornado warning passed, so they can't hold us, or they can't tell us that we have to stay. There doesn't seem to be any damage. The wind was not ever heinous, but if you look, all these canopies are still in place, but the lightning is up there, hoping to get a shot. I am headed back to my locker where the rest of my things are. I was lucky to be stuck with my bag, my purse. I had a feeling that we were going to have to take cover, so I grabbed the bag with my money and my phone in it and my chapstick and my rain jacket so that I could eat while we were in captivity, which I did. But I don't know. It's absolutely freezing. It dropped like at least 20 degrees. It's absolutely freezing. So I'm gonna wait this out. I didn't pay to get into this park to not do one single thing. I have a 3.5-hour drive home. After this, I can do it later. I'd rather not do it in the rain anyway. Okay. Well, these were not here when I walked past before, so I guess it was a little worse than I thought. Okay. Not quite sure where I'm going, so let me figure this out. A huge crack of lightning just went right across the sky. And everybody freaked out. Maybe I'll try to get one on camera. They're pretty far in between though. This has to pass, right? Right? Oh.
When editing this video, I realized it ended very suddenly right here. I did wait about 3 hours, and that's when everything ended up opening back up. It was a fine afternoon. I came back into the water park with the intention of riding everything, which I was able to do. There was hardly anybody there. For the family raft rides, I would get to the top of the stairs and have to wait for anybody else to come up and ride with me. There were so few people in the park. It ended up being pretty fun in the end. I wish I didn't have to wait so long for everything to open up, but it's actually a pretty good water park and I really enjoyed myself.